How to change country on Amazon. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can actually change country on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing a country on Amazon is actually quite a simple thing. All you have to do is launch the Amazon app. Then in my case you can see it's amazon.co.uk, which means that my country right now is selected to Amazon UK. So just come to this account icon here. You can see Amazon UK and you'll find the flag icon of the current country that is set. So you can see in my case I have a UK flag. So if I want to change my country, just tap on this flag icon. You can see country or region. So when you tap on country or region, you can select other options that are available for you. Now you can choose the currency, the language, then tap on done, and likewise your country will get successfully changed on Amazon. This way you can change your country on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.